As you all know, there indeed was a body found in the woods last night.
If they found the body, then what are they looking for? They only found half. We're going. What if whoever killed the body is still out here?
Just making sure you put everything you need.
Everything except a pen. Oh my God, I didn't actually forget a pen.
Class, this is our new student, Allison Argent.
Thanks.
What the hell is going on with you, McCall?
Oh, God. You really want to know? Well, so would I, because I can see, hear, and smell things that I shouldn't be able to see, hear, and smell. I do things that should be impossible. I'm sleepwalking 3 miles into the middle of the woods, and I'm pretty much convinced that I'm totally out of my freaking mind. Do you think maybe you'd like to go to that party with me?
Definitely yes.
Is this a party or a date?
Maybe both.
And her name is?
Allison.
Allison. Nice.
Everything in my life is somehow perfect. Why are you trying to ruin it?
You're cursed, Scott. Change can be caused by anger or anything that raises your pulse. All right? I haven't seen anyone raise your pulse like Allison does. You gotta cancel this date.
Are you okay?
I'll be right back. You did this to me!
You and me, Scott? We're brothers now. The bite is a gift.
I don't want it.
You will. But you'll have to resist crossing a line. And you're gonna need me if you want to learn how to control it.
I think we need to do a lot more than lock me in my room.
What, you mean because if you get out, you'd be caught by hunters?
Because if I get out, I think I might kill someone.
It's my dad.